how you can create easily pivot table in Excel within only 5 minutes. This will really help you analyze pretty cool from lots of data sets. This example Excel contains of sales data to each country and with margins. What I want to do is I want to do a whole bunch of analysis with a pivot table. What is my total sales out of each country and margin by each makers? Let's click on this pivot table button. Here is a recommend pivot table, which is automatically added. If you calculate this single line and sum up or summist, it makes you bring more time and efforts. But today you will create your own pivot table. It's already pre-selected. I chose as new worksheet. This is the main pivot table view. How it works, let us try together. I could drag this below into these different boxes. So here now I get a quick view of all the makes that I have on my lots of data set. What I really want to do is to get this margin by each car makes. Go to Pivot Table Analyze menu and insert Calculation Filed. Name input as sales margin in the formula field. You can click Sales minus Cost. Then you get the Sales Margin additional field. In the same way, you want to get the sales margin percentage. This formula would be equal sales cost divide sales. Be careful with bracket. This is how you can change your sales margin data as percentage. This is how you can change your sales and cost as US dollar. Sometimes you need a colorful or graphical image to look this through ones from your boss. I can click on right mouse button and sort from the largest to smallest. It is a very powerful way to visualize your data and quickly understand a huge data set with pivot chart. In my daily job as well, I use a pivot table all the time, and it really helps me analyze huge data sets very quickly and exactly. Of course, this is basis for decision making and strategy approach from your data analysis. In this example of pivot chart, you can only choose with BMW and how much was sold and estimated margin by car, each brand name. If this is helpful of your understanding, please like button and subscribe, and you will be informed of future good tutorial. Any feedback is welcoming from your comments, which help you support Excel analysis or problem.